The search feature has been enhanced to run faster than ever. Say if you were searching for a design in the design library, but you wanted to look for a specific keyword or pattern. Just click on the Search tab here in your design library, and you can start typing in a keyword or a pattern number or some other description. Say you were looking for a pattern or a style from the company Maffei. You can type in their name and click on either the Go button or just hit your Enter key on your keyboard. There, now you can see from the bottom of the screen or browser window that 593 styles or components associated with the company Maffei have been selected. Now notice that you can type in the word Maffei without the apostrophe. And again, just click on the Go button or hit your Enter key. And you're still going to come up with the 593 items shown in the search results window of the browser. You can also type in an abbreviation. Just say the letters FAY, F-A-Y, and same thing, click on the Go button or hit your Enter key on your keyboard. And you're still going to end up with the 593 items. Those are full designs and components. Now I've scrolled down through the search results in the browser because I wanted to point something out to you. You will notice that when the search results are returned, that all the components that belong to a particular design are grouped together. So that you can see here in the search results all the designs and components that are associated with pattern 9257. They're all grouped together. Followed then by the components associated with pattern 9258. When you're done searching for your design and you want to go back into the design library, just click back on the design library tab right here. And you're back into the design library. If you want to go back into the search tab, click right here on the search tab. And you will notice that the results of your last search are still shown in the search results window of your browser. After searching for a design using your search function, if you see a style shown in the search results window of the browser, you can click on it, and you see it will appear in your preview window. Again, you'll see the description of the design. You may also see a secondary description, and in this case, this design is associated with Maffei pattern 9257. And you'll see that unique code. You'll also see the gold buttons here. If you can click on the gold buttons, then you will be taken to all the components that are associated with that particular style. Notice that when you click on those gold buttons, not only will you see all the components and variations associated with that design, but you can see swags both with and without trim. You can see the cascades with and without trim. And if that style or design included any hardware pieces, you're going to see those as well. You're going to see everything in one convenient place. And when you are done, you can always click on this Go Back button. And it takes you right back into the design library to the exact same position where you started. Now, I had mentioned in a couple of the other lessons that every design has been assigned its own unique code. For example, you can see in the preview window that this crown has been assigned a unique identifier or code of DDAT018DH. If you highlight the design on your canvas, you will also see that unique identifier displayed in the bottom right corner of the program. Now, when you're looking at a design, sometimes you wonder if the component has been used in one of our fully completed break-apart designs. Well, this is where that code comes into play. To find out if that component is associated with a full design or other components, just click on the Search tab. And you can type in the first 6 or 7 letters of that code. Just make sure that you're typing in the number, the full number that you see. So in this case, I'm going to type in DDAT018. I want to make sure that I include the 018. So in this example, I did type in the 7 characters. And then do your search. There. Now, what you've noticed is that this crown, this piece of hardware, this beautifully illustrated piece of hardware, is associated with one of our full break-apart designs. And when you typed in that 7-digit code, that DDAT018, you found every component that is associated with that design. And here you can see it in the preview window. And you can see how beautiful this design looks when you do drag it onto your canvas. Also notice that this design does make use of 2 different pieces of hardware that you can see in your browser, here and here. I want to do another example. Say you were searching through your swag components and you found this board swag here, this beautifully illustrated board swag, and you were interested to know if this was used in one of our fully completed break-apart designs. Well, click on the Search tab and enter the first, in this case, 6 characters of this code. I'm going to type BD2002. There. And here's the beautiful design that used that board swag. When you typed in BD2002, you found every component that goes with that full break-apart design. So that is our enhanced search tool, and I think you're really going to like it.